intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup, where I film all sorts of videos, unboxings, tutorials, favorites, giveaways, personal growth. Yeah, I have a wide variety. Just call it a variety show. But today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Boxyluxe for September. Oh, I love getting my Boxyluxe. It's just like Christmas every 3 months. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button before you leave. Alright, let's get right into her. Oh, yay, I got a freaking information card. Thank God. Oh. Ah! Alright, don't get ahead of yourself, Natalie. The first product is this Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. I don't know. Number one, I love Pharmacy. I've been using their cherry makeup removing balm. Smells amazing. Yeah, super hydrating, vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Oh, awesome. I need that desperately. I get really bad at dark circles under my eyes. I actually just did a video recently about how I conceal them. I'll link it up if you're interested. So this retails for $45. Their products are usually pretty, you know, like they're not super expensive, but for an eye cream, hey, I'll take it. This is 0.5 ounces. Here is what it looks like. Oh yeah, I can definitely see the radiance. Alright, we have the Eloise The Queen eyeshadow palette. Well, that's very appropriate for me. So it says there's a 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. I really like the packaging on the front. Oh, and on the component itself. Let's see which. Oh my gosh. I'm usually not like super impressed with the palettes I get in BoxyCharm, but this one, so my vibe. Oh, yes, I am loving this. Let's do a couple swatches. What do I want to do? I can't even decide. This blue is like calling my name. Oh, let's try Monarch. Oh, wow, so gorgeous. It does have a nice big mirror in it. So this retails for $46. I'm really liking that. Alright, so next we have Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before. It's in the color Honey. I'm not sure if this is a color that I would wear. It's more of like a brownish nude. I wish it was just a little bit lighter. I'm just really not that into like deep brown nudes, but I'm sure someone would love to win this in a giveaway. This retails for $16. Oh my god. Alright, the next product. This Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Oh, and this is in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. So this retails for $36. I do have one of her highlighters and I love it. I'm not sure about these colors though. I'll have to see how they look. Please let them work for me, please. Okay, so these would be blushes, is what we're saying. Yeah, I think that's what we're saying. Because in no world would those work as highlighters for me. So usually in these highlighters, one is like a more subtle highlighter and the other is a more like blinding one. Those are super pretty colors, but yeah, they're just not highlighters for me. It can be eyeshadows or blushes, but highlighters, no. Okay, so this is OC, is that how you say it, or Osea? I don't know. Atmospheric Protection Cream, lightweight firming moisturizer. Huh, so this is 2 ounces. Light and luxurious, hydrates and protects and provides protection against environmental stressors that visibly damage skin. Organic seaweed, shea butter, and avocado oil moisturize and firm skin with a matte finish. Okay, this retails for $48. I think I've gotten something else from this brand. I don't remember what it was though. Oh, it's in a really nice glass bottle. Okay, is this Pure, the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. Okay. Oh, wow. So, oh, and they're pink too. Let's see what kind of brushes we got here. This looks like a blush brush, a pencil brush, like either a blush or a powder brush. Ooh, that's really soft. Okay. A small crease brush, it's like a foundation brush. An angled brush. I know this would be for blush. Okay. A couple flat synthetic brushes, and then a brow comb. Alright. This retails for $49. Alright. These cases are good to travel with, but otherwise I can't stand them. They just like take up so much room. But it's super cute and it is really good for traveling. Alright. Next is, okay, this, I don't know if it's like 111 or 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. Oh, I love rose gold everything, and I'm usually like not the biggest sheet mask user, but if the word rose gold's in it and brightening, you best believe I'm going to use it. So it says diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone. Reinforces and protects skin barrier function. Okay, so it says brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. And here is what it looks like. So you're telling me, Boxyluxe, you're trying to tell me that for 5 sheet masks, it's $135. Is that what you're saying? Because I think you've lost your fucking mind. Okay. If you say so. And the last product is this Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, Sea Kissed. Okay, 5.1 fluid ounces. So, enriched with refreshing witch hazel, this luxuriously rich hand cream drenches your hands in velvety smoothness. A fresh breeze of marine and floral notes awaken your senses to the serenity of the sea. You are sea kissed. I was interested until I'm not the biggest fan of like sea scents. So this would be good to keep in my work bag because I'm constantly washing my hands at work and my hands get super dry. So yeah. Alright, let me calculate the total retail value. Alright, so the total retail value of my Boxyluxe is $411. That's awesome. Even though 135 of it is from sheet masks. So that's $27 for one sheet mask. I mean, I have to try it now. Like, a $27 sheet mask better make me look like freaking Kim Kardashian. No joke. But other than the ridiculously overpriced product, I am really, really happy with my Boxyluxe. I think this is an amazing box. I am really excited about the eye cream. I'm really excited about the eyeshadow palette. The brushes, I really wish that the highlighter would have been a shade I could use as a highlighter, but I'll find a way to use it. And yeah, I haven't watched any other unboxings, so I don't know how mine is compared to some other people's, but I'm really happy with what I got. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I love you guys. I will see you next time.